me just get a little closer to the machine, and so you can see. I'm just going to open up the door. So we're cutting right onto a surface that the water is going to go through and cut through the ejection rubber. Just give you a look at the head of the water jet. And this is probably green griller, I would imagine?
Yes.
Okay. And it'll handle all different types of the industry standard ejection rubber. You can use it for foams if you want to process some foams on the machine. All right. Any questions before we start running?
No, I think we're good.
Okay. All right, I'm just going to close the door, and we'll let Dave have the machine.
It's all set. It runs on machine runs on G code, but basically you bring in an HPGL file or a DXF file, and it does all of the automatic post processing. You don't need any additional software. So this file that's on here is the G code file, and it's as simple as you can jog the machine around in any location you want. Find the spot on the rubber, and you set an origin where you're going to start. And as simple as load the job up, which I have on the screen. And now it's going to get a little noisy. We're going to turn the pump on. High pressure on. And you start the job. Simple as that. And this is done at straight up and down. And we can change the machine around and do it in with the 10-degree option as well.
Can you guys see those pieces okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's a little bit of setup to change it to 10 degrees. Basically, we're going to just take this head just from here and then just tilt it over. So, just got to loosen up a couple of fittings. Slide it over. It's graduated, so you can tell it's increments of 2 degrees.
I'm going to try to zoom in on that if you can see that. There we go. Can you see the graduations? So you got from 0 to 10 degrees in increments of 2 degrees. You got a reference point.
No, I'll set it up and run it. You'll see what happens. We've got a tangential head. It actually, the whole head will rotate depending on which direction it's moving. Re-zero it. Here we've got an option on the screen. We'll click on tangential, which actually makes the head rotate. And then this has got a 10-degree angle on it. I don't know if you'll be able to see the angle on there, but look at it.
Yeah, let me try
You
that.
might see it that way.
Can you guys see that okay? With the angle?
Narrower at the top.